I had years and years of just misery with my dental care, so I was certainly in the market for a different solution than what I'd been going through, and that's where I stumbled onto Dr. Nazarian. He presented an array of options, whether we were going to do veneers or just continue the plan that I was on, or if we wanted to explore the full mouth reconstruction. He was very patient, guiding us through the whole process, and then we decided eventually that the full mouth reconstruction was our best alternative, and we just went with it. Just to have full functionality and then the aesthetic improvement, it was life-changing. It really was. It was absolutely just evolutionary. Staff is great. You almost feel like family to them. It is nice to be treated as an individual instead of just next man up. If you are looking for a dentist, it's like a car repair guy. Once you find one that you like, you stick with it, you ride it out until the end of time, and this is my guy. I'm riding with Dr. Nazarian until he either retires or I move away or whatever it is. I mean, you just feel so welcome here and you feel that you're getting the best care possible, so I'm here for the long haul.